Hello, welcome to Cook's Corner. I'm Chef Kirsten.
And I'm Bailey.
And today we are going to make some spaghetti and garlic bread.
Step 1. Wash your hands with warm water. Okay, first with the onion we cut off the ends, and now we're going to use half of it. Alright, now we're going to cut it into little slices, making sure that there's rings of onions coming out here. She's gonna conceal. Alright, now cutting those little slices of rings into little tidbits here. Alright, on to the next quarter. Quite an onion here. Woo. Alright, now that's the onion. Now that the onions are all chopped up, we're going to put them in a frying pan and saute them to release the flavors. Alright, now I've removed all the skin from the garlic cloves, and I'm going to mince up one of them to throw in and saute with the onions. Get them all nice and fine here. We're only going to use one garlic clove because we're going to have garlic in our tomato sauce. Once the water is boiling, we add salt to keep the noodles from sticking together. Now I'm going to add a box of cream-made spaghetti noodles to the pan of boiling water. Oh, we have to break them. Alright. Now using a little spatula, I'm going to break them up in here. Alright, now we're going to let those boil for about 10 minutes here. Here I have a pound of ground beef. I am going to add this to our pan of onions and garlic. So, for the seasonings, we are going to use savory all-purpose, only a little bit. We're going to use a little bit of seasoned pepper and some garlic herbs. Okay, now you mix the spices in. Here I'm going to mix up the noodles because they're about done. Done boiling for now. Alright, now I'm going to strain the noodles, being careful to keep my face away from the steam because it's really hot. Alright, got that all out. I'm going to make sure I get all the water out of here. Get it all mixed up. Alright, and back in the pan it goes. Wait for the rest to be done. Now I turned off the burner. When it's done, you're going to add the sauce to it. All of it, I think. And now, we mix it all together. And warm it up. And when it gets hot, you just put it on the noodles. Alright, now with my oven preheated to 350 degrees, I'm going to throw the garlic bread in for about 10 minutes. Put it there and get warm. Alright, now to serve our finished product of spaghetti. Would you like to try this, ma'am?
Yeah.
Let's take your first bite. It's not hot.
Ooh, that's yummy.
Welcome to Cook's Corner. Today we are going to make Oreo balls. I'm Chef Kirsten. And I'm Miss Bailey. The first step in making Oreo balls is opening an Oreo container, like so. The next step is taking about 4 or 5 Oreos and putting them into a bowl or some sort of thing that you can mash them up in, like that. And I'm going to need a meat tenderizer, like this one. Thank you, Kirsten. The next step you'll have to do is take this and mash the Oreos until they are ready to be mixed with the cream cheese. While I'm waiting for the Oreos to get all smashed up, we're going to start melting the chocolate to throw over the Oreo balls. So I'm going to dump a whole bag of Nestle's chocolate into a bowl. And I'm going to put it in the microwave and melt it for a few seconds at a time. So we're going to stick this in here for about 10 seconds and watch it go. Now, after several intervals of 10-second cookings of the chocolate, we finally have a melted product and are ready to mix it with the Oreos. So now, we're going to take Philadelphia cream cheese and we're going to put it to the final product of the Oreos that were mashed together and mix them together to make the inside of the Oreo balls. Now, after everything's all mixed together, we're going to make little rolls of Oreo balls and set them down on wax paper. That way we can refrigerate them and then drizzle the chocolate all over.